what is Gclid. So this is the Google Click ID. So it's a tracking parameter where the data flows from AdWords to analytics and vice versa. If you're just a beginner and you're starting with Google Ads and Google Analytics, don't worry too much about it for the time being. It will not interfere with any of your marketing activities, and just make sure that you've got all your goals and conversion tracking set up the right way. So is there any good alternatives to Google AdWords editor? Not in my humble opinion, no, not at all. There isn't any tool out there quite like the editor. It's an amazing tool. If you haven't started using it, I would highly recommend that you search for Google AdWords editor or Google Ads editor. Download it for free. It works on both the Mac and the PC. It streamlines your workflow and allows you to make changes in bulk. Now, I had quite a few people send me questions as to how do we use this. They just couldn't understand how we can use this in a way where you can upload literally hundreds or thousands of keywords, ads, ad groups, etc. So it's a tool which I use pretty much on a daily basis, and without it I'll be pretty lost and impossible to the way I run my campaigns.